And looks beautiful. A very warm, unseasonably warm day. We'll take as many of these as we can get.
Oh, we sure will. Beautiful blue sky. Mary Kay is here now with a check of our mild weather.
Everyone's being so nice to me today. No, our weather watchers seriously are finding some unseasonably mild temperatures because we should be at 39 degrees for a daytime high. Made it to 63 in Rensselaer from Cheryl and Mike. In Schaumburg, Elton give us 61 for a high. Gurnee 61 from Rich, and in Streeter 64 coming in from Mark. We just had passing clouds throughout the day, on and off, and we currently are standing at 60 in Platteville from Kennedy, and he has passing clouds, but a beautiful look here. And this is just a glorious look of the Rock River Forest Preserve. Beautiful sight to just sit there today. The winds were up though, and that is going to bring us the mild night and also some cloud cover. So you can expect clouds to increase tonight and rain developing after midnight. So those showers may be around if you have an early morning commute. And then we'll see temperatures falling throughout the course of the afternoon as our first front comes in, but showers come back Thursday morning, and then we clear out for the weekend. So we have two rain chances that we have to talk about. And when we look at Futurecast, this is the midnight to 1 a.m. hour. Clouds are already here. Showers move in. And what's interesting to see is that some heavy rain may move through at 2 a.m. or 3 a.m., but our high temperature of the day is going to probably be in the morning or the midday hours, because at 7 a.m., 47 degrees with cloudy skies. A hit or miss shower is possible, and then temperatures start dropping throughout the afternoon. Now, wind speeds will continue out of the south. They're at 18 miles per hour at Midway, 14-mile-per-hour winds in Kankakee. So we're pulling that air from the south, and all the temperatures have been responding to the southerly winds and the sunshine. It's 60 degrees right now at Midway, 61 in Gary and Joliet, 56 in McHenry. So with those winds out of the south, we're tapping the air from down here, where St. Louis is 66. We do see cooler air to the north around the Twin Cities. They are on the other side of this front, and eventually we'll get there, but not tonight. Tonight, instead, we're going to look at this rain complex over Arkansas. It's going to step into Missouri and eventually into our state. So first the cloud shield will come, and then that rain chance will come. So Wednesday into Thursday, a couple of rounds of rain for us, but I do think that the storm energy will be past us before the precipitation could turn to snow over Chicago. I just think the storm energy will be gone, and drier air from this ridge of high pressure will start to sneak in. So the snow would be confined to most of Wisconsin, maybe the Twin Cities or the eastern edge of Iowa. So with that second part of the system at 5 a.m. Thursday, we could have some downpours. I think that's going to be the best time for measurable rain. Even at 8 a.m., still hanging around with the rain. But by lunchtime, we just have cloud cover as all of this moves out. And look at the clearing taking place on Thursday evening. So rain amounts are going to be highest well to the south of us, south of Memphis even, for northern parts of Mississippi and Alabama and Georgia, where you see this area in red. Lighter amounts closer to Chicago. So with the first wave Wednesday, maybe a 1/10 of an inch, second wave Thursday, so ending in the afternoon Thursday, these are the amounts we could see. Now, we could see some higher amounts of about an inch or so, especially for areas along I-80, but we'll have to just watch the position of that. So in the meantime, we are in store for some mild weather as we go through the night. And then during the day tomorrow, we'll hit 54 for our midday high as temperatures start falling. The rain Wednesday and Thursday is mostly for the morning hours, but a brief shower in the afternoon is certainly possible. But I think most of it's going to be in the morning. But Rob and Erica, I think the best part of this whole 7-day is how right on Friday, right on cue, the sun pops out. We have a nice dry weekend to look forward to.
That is good to see. Thank you, Mary Kay.